Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today, we're gonna take you on a little trip to an area in St. Mary known as East River Close. Come home to tranquility and relaxation in this spacious, finely crafted and tastefully designed 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, two-story house that sits on a quarter-acre lot. The ground floor accommodates a sitting room, dining room, kitchen, a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, laundry room, as well as a powder room. Additionally, a self-contained two-bedroom section of the ground floor has its own electronic gate entrance and, if desired, can be used as an income earner. On the upper floor, we find the master bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom and two other bedrooms that share a bathroom. There are also two additional sitting areas upstairs, as well as a sun deck and an entertainment area. On the outside is a swimming pool and a gazebo with a bar and beautifully manicured grounds enhanced by decorative bricks, lush ornamental plants, and fruit trees. Other features of this house includes family-oriented, porcelain flooring, security system, garden area, ceiling fans, grilled, swimming pool, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, jacuzzi, security system, and electronic gate. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $112 million or US $728,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.